The Turkish automaker introduced an electric sedan that will arrive in 2025 and eventually make its way to Europe. Las Vegas is thousands of miles away from Turkey, but that didn't stop Togg from introducing the new T10F at CES. However, this shouldn't be surprising, as the company said the model is not just a car, but rather a connected smart device. Marketing hyperbole aside, the T10F is an electric fastback sedan that follows in the footsteps of the T10X crossover. It features a fully enclosed grille with chrome accents, which are designed to resemble tulip petals. The grille is flanked by slender LED headlights, which reside above boomerang-shaped daytime running lights. We can also see a large central intake as well as triangular air curtains. Moving further back, there are digital side mirrors, flush door handles, and a pronounced shoulder line. We can also see a contrasting black roof as well as a curvaceous rear end with a slender light bar. The interior is decidedly high-tech as it houses a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 29-inch widescreen infotainment system. They're joined by a lower 8-inch display that appears to be focused on climate controls and phone contacts. Togg didn't say much else about the cabin, but the company confirmed the T10F will be their first vehicle to offer a heated steering wheel. Besides that, we can see a rotary shifter, touch controls, and what appears to be a wireless smartphone charger. The trunk holds 17.7 cubic feet, 500 liters of luggage, but that can be expanded to 47.7 cubic feet, 1,150 liters, by folding the rear seat down. On the performance front, the entry-level model has a rear-mounted motor producing 215 horsepower, 160 kilowatts, and 258 lb-ft, 350 newton-meters, of torque. This setup will enable the car to accelerate from 0-62 miles per hour, 0-100 kilometers per hour, in 7.2 seconds. Customers will also be able to get a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which increases the output to 429 horsepower, 320 kilowatts, and 516 lb-ft, 700 newton-meters, of torque. Thanks to the extra oomph and traction, this variant can hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 4.6 seconds. Additional details are limited, but Togg is expecting a WLTP range of 373 miles, 600 kilometers, with the long-range battery. It reportedly has a capacity of 88.5 kilowatts per hour, while the standard 52.4 kilowatts per hour battery is said to deliver 217 miles, 350 kilometers, of range. Regardless, Togg said a 180 kilowatts DC fast charger can take the battery from a 20-80% charge in as little as 28 minutes. The T10F will reportedly be launched in Turkey next year, before being offered in Europe.